This is a walk around our 2018 Cat 313 FL. Only covered 4,144 hours from new with a single owner as well. Maintained on a fleet of other 13-ton excavators. When purchased, it would have been on a service contract, so maintained well while it's been with us. Boxing ring to the rear there. Just dropping down, you can see the rear camera on this machine. It's also got orange and green beacon on this, so you are up to date for site safety, so that would be your machine and seatbelt beacon as well. Undercarriage is in good condition. Starts on the button. It does have a keypad immobiliser on this machine, so you do require a code to start it, and then it will start with a cat key. Hydraulic quick hitch, hammer pipe work. This bucket is included in the sale as well. Overall, very tiny machine, ready for a new home. It's been prepped by our team here. The only thing remaining would be a PDI before it leaves us, just so you can rest assured it will arrive clean, tidy and ready to work off the lorry. We can transport these across the UK and have exported them across the world as well. And we have dealt with all major finance companies in the UK, so if you require transport or finance, do get in touch and we can help you out. Here we're on the inside of the machine. This has been prepped by our team here, so it has had a full internal and external clean, ready for the new owner. On the back right hand of the driver there, you've got the keypad for the immobiliser on this machine, so you do need the code to start it, and it will start with a cat key. On the dash, you can see there the reverse camera and also the hour clock, 4,144 hours. Lower machine in good condition, ready for a new home.